right there.
Yeah, I know.
Like the water taxi, but it's kind of like
just better
not that far away.
Why bother? I think that's how it works. It's 350 so that you can.
So go about to start.
Yeah.
Start.
Oh, they got starting.
Oh, they started the
Started.
Yellow, red.
They're the
Second from the right.
actually better hurry up.
Yeah, like no red.
I like how they didn't like turn to get off the course. Like that one turned to get off the course.
You don't have to like.
I want to watch it.
So what? So we can win the double.
Okay.
That was really close.
I can't tell. Oh my gosh.
The timing's not bad.
Timing's pretty good. Given where you were this morning, I'll take that. This is good.
Other right, second, other.
Second
Those guys in the first. I think a little ahead. They are. So like the one.
That one right there, far right.
Okay.
Second from the far
Yeah.
right.
Oh my gosh. They're doing well.
Come on, UBC!
Oh, yo.
So don't get too excited yet, because as they go past, your perspective on them is going to change. So
Come on, UBC!
Get
Doing well.
Yo, they're first leg right now.
They're all rotating. They're rotating. Guys, don't stop.
Go, old guys!
Okay, I need a volunteer. Somebody give me a hug. Somebody. There we go.